The 8 Rules of Money for 2022. Hey everybody, welcome to Finance Media Channel. Today we want to talk about the 8 Rules of Money for 2022. Make sure to watch until the end, because it's one of the most amazing hacks you have ever seen. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos and much more. Part of knowing how to manage your money is knowing how money works, and knowing how money works are knowing the straight truths about this essential thing called money. Ignorance is all you require to squander all you've to perspire for years. As you read through, secure you put all into memory as huge as you can, as this not only will assist you make good financial decisions, it will keep you literate of all that money is about. Number 1. The first rule of money that I want to discuss in this script is education over materials. Now I got a bunch of shoes, I got the pieces of bread right here, I got a bunch of more shoes in the back, but listen, I got more bucks in my house than I do shoes. I'm not going to lie to you, and I know for a lot of people in our community it's the complete opposite, right? You got 30 pairs of shoes but not one book in your house, right? Now the reason why I do this, the reason why I have more books than I do shoes, is that the knowledge I gain from books, right, I can use that knowledge to create more money and then go buy whatever materialistic things I want. Number 2. Is here education over materialistic things, because I see this a lot with our community. Like, we buy the latest designer, we buy the latest Jordans, we buy everything, we always like to look fly, and I'm not knocking anybody, because as you can see I got a couple of pairs of shoes myself and I like to look fly myself, but we don't spend any money on our education or upgrading our mind. So just think about that next time about to go spend like $600 on Gucci. Think about what books you could buy, or what program you could buy, or some ways that you can make some money to make 3-4 times that, and then you could go buy the Gucci shoes. Number 3. So the third rule that I want to discuss is to invest more than you save. Now growing up I was always taught save your money drill, save your money, but no one ever told me to invest my money. Like, what is that investing? Nah, they always taught me to save my money. No one ever speaks about investing in anything like that. Listen, you want to be investing more than you save now, of course. We got the shoebox full of money, or money under our mattress or in a safe. You want to be investing more in your business than you want to be saving your money. Invest in some stocks, invest in real estate, invest in your knowledge, because when you're saving money you losing money due to inflation and everything like that. Like money, another thing about money is money likes to move. Right now this is not one of the rules, but this is a rule about the money. You know, money likes to move around. You got to be making your money work for your money as a better employee than you anyway, because money doesn't sleep, money doesn't get tired or anything like that. Money likes to move. Number 4. The next rule is that time does not equal money. Now growing up we were always taught that time does equal money due to jobs and everything like that. Let's say you make $10 an hour and you go to work for 7 hours, that's 70 a day, right? Time does not equal money. You want to start looking at it like this: you get paid off the value you provide, not the amount of time that goes into it. So let's say you crack your phone, right, and you and your friends don't know how to repair your phone, so you got to go to a mall, right? You find someone to do it, you give the guy the phone and he takes 30 minutes to fix your phone and he charges you $100, and you like, damn, I gotta spend $100, and he only spent 30 minutes on it. But it's not about how long you spend on something, it's about the value you provide. Number 5. The next rule of money is that it's not about how much money you make, is about how much money you keep. Now you could be making $100,000 a year, but if you only got $2,000 left over after the year, you not winning. You know, it's about how much you can keep. So you gotta learn the task game, especially if you're an entrepreneur. There are so many different things that you can write off. Like, for example, you can write off your internet bill, your phone bill, because you're using your phone for your business. You can write off your laptop. Let's say you go buy a new laptop and it's for your business. You can write that off. You can write off your paid advertising costs. Like, there are so many different things that you can write off so you don't have to pay as much in taxes at the end of the year. And one thing that I noticed with us is that once we start making a lot of money, we want everybody to know it, right? Number 6. The next rule of money is that don't lend out money that you need back soon. Man, listen, I'm telling you firsthand, don't lend out money that you need back soon, because you're probably never going to get it back. I isn't going to hold you, like, especially when you're dealing with friends and family, probably not going to get that money back. So don't lend out money that you don't have. Like, I know we want to be generous and take care of our people, but hey, Keisha is not going to give you $100 back. So if you need that $100, don't give it to Keisha. Sequin not gonna give you that $200 back. He just spending on weed and Jordans, it's gone. And hey, listen, some people may pay you back. There are some good people in this. Number 7. The next rule of money is that money is abundant. See, I grew up with a single mom with 4 kids, so you know it was a struggle. Now I grew up hearing things like I'm broke, I can't afford that, I don't have enough money, and all type of stuff. So I grew up thinking that money was scarce, when that's far from the truth. Your money is abundant. There's enough for all of us. Like, they are printing money. Like, you see it with the stimulus money, they just giving out free money nowadays, and with social media and everything like that. Digital product, like, just thinking about this for a second, with a digital product, there's no cap on how much you can sell. Like, with physical products you may run out of inventory and everything like that, but with a digital product there's no cap. Number 8. The last rule of money is that money won't make any money for real. Those scared money don't make any money. You got to stop being so scary. Like, I had to tell my mom this the other day. You got to stop being so scared. You got to start taking risks, because you got to understand, right, that risk you're afraid to take could change your life. And even if it doesn't, like when things don't work out, listen, you gotta look at it like this. You're just one step closer to finding something that works. That's exactly what I'd be thinking when things don't go right for me. And let me show you guys something. Like, I took an L not too long ago. Like, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You know, listen, these are my shirts, right? As you guys know, I was about to drop some merch, right? Let's look at the white one real quick. I ordered 50 white and 50 black. Booms, messed up the tags. Like, I can't sell these shirts, so I took a 700 loss on these shirts. And instead of me crying about it and complaining and just giving up in general, I was just like, okay, I'm just one step closer to finding someone that's going to give me some good shirts. But just keep that in mind. Scared money don't make any money. You got to take risk in life. That's where the biggest rewards come from. Big risk, big reward. And they say the biggest regrets in life are the chances that you didn't take. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our video to support us. And turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. See you at the next video.